Okay, question 1, we're doing review 1 through 4 actually. Number 1, excuse me, calculate the average rate of change. So we want to basically do, find the slope. Find me 2 nice points on this graph. I've got a nice point, whoops, wrong button. Nice point here, a nice point there, a nice point there. Show me those steps. Okay, show me those stairs. We're going up 1, and we ran over how many units? We ran over 4, up 1 over 4. So therefore, the rate of change, or the slope, is 1/4. On number 2, the same idea. After that, we also then want to write the function. So on this one, when I look at the x's, they're not consistent. And when I look at the y's, it's just kind of all out of whack. So I want to, before I just jump into saying it's not a function, it definitely could be a linear function. So what I want to do here is go through and calculate 2 points at a time to see if from one point to the next and from one point to the next, it is giving the same slope. So what I will be using is my slope formula for this. It won't be a quick one, but for that first group, all right, I'm going to be doing the change in the y's, so like we've been doing, over the change in the x's. Now go to your calculator. 3/2 minus 1/2 is -1, and then 0 minus -2 is 2. So I want to see if the other pair of points turn out to be -1/2. For the next pair, change in the y's over change in the x's. 2 minus 3.5 is -1.5. 3 minus 0 is 3. And then when you go to your calculator and you punch that in, you get -0.5, which is the same as -1/2. So far, so good. I do the same thing right here. Change in the y's, change in the x's. And then I get -1.5 over 3 again. And when I look at my calculator, from each pair of points to the next, I do get the same slope. So therefore, it is a linear function. Now, after that, we want to write the actual equation. We found the slope to be -1/2. Great. Now, the y-intercept is also right here in the table given to us. Remember, the y-intercept occurs when x is 0. So that was nice that they gave that to us. So finishing off.